Hey guys, just a quick update. Whenever you're updating the Fintoch app and you get to this screen, you have to remove the previous app in order for the new app to be able to manage your Fintoch platform. Okay, so Jeff, tap on the first Fintoch where it says mobile device management. Click remove management, your password. Click remove management again. And that previous app will disappear. Now click on the new Fintoch, install. Install, trust, done. Click home, close. Okay, go to the home screen of your cell phone. And there it is. Click on the Fintoch app. There's that shmoney sound. Go ahead at the bottom right, click on the wallet. And what you need to do now is get your secret key that you created. We're going to stop the recording so that you can take care of this. You just enter your secret key, enter your password, and click OK, sure. And that's it. Your wallet is updated and all of your information is in there.
Awesome, Tonya. Thank you. If you could send that to me, I'll send it out to my guys here.